Welcome to my channel, Save Yourself from Start to Finish. I'm Belisa. In this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I got this sad winter trodden look to this spring has sprung refresh using black rubber mulch nuggets. Let's get to it. So this is a view of my front yard hardscape area after the winter season. I've already removed the rocks, the mulch, the brick edging, and the faux mums. And as we all know, with the winter time, once that snow hits the ground, it gets compacted, it starts moving things around, and it requires a refresh come spring. Happens every year. Some people pay others to do the upkeep. I enjoy figuring it out myself, so I save myself some money and labor. um, well, labor costs, that is. The labor is done by my mom and myself. First, I remove all the rocks and next, I move back all the bricks. I don't usually do this every season, but this season something got into me and I decided to move them back to get out all the debris, the old leaves, the weeds that had grown in between the bricks. So I just pushed them back so I can get to that a lot easier. And then I put them back in place so that I could go ahead and get the mulch. And this is what it looks like after I've done all the weeding, removed the rocks and the bricks, and I am ready to go get my mulch. So let's get to that part of it.
Morning getting additional mulch. It's on sale, so I highly recommend you get the rubber mulch when it's on sale. It's usually about $7 plus on the $7, almost $8. And today or this week it's on sale for like $5.48.
Did I say 548? I meant 598, but it's still a deal anyway. Here's the picture of my mulch haul. This is just a few of the 14 bags.
So I just came out of Lowe's and I was able to get at least 6 of the bags of rubber mulch, Newscape rubber mulch, as you can see here. They were open bags. So what Lowe's does is they put them in another plastic bag so the remaining mulch does not fall out, and then they discount it. And it was actually half off. So the mulch was regular I think 7.98. It was on sale for $5.98, and then I got the mulch for half off the sale price. They wouldn't let me use my military discount, but that's okay because that's still a steal. That's still a great deal. So if you're ever in Lowe's or any of the big box stores and you see open box or bagged items, and always just check and see. You can get a pretty good discount. And actually, I made sure that the majority of the mulch was there. So it wasn't a lot that was missing. It's just the fact that the bag is open and they can't sell it for full price. So save yourself by asking for a discount. Okay, so another tip when you're shopping at the big box stores or going anywhere where you know you're going to be handling dirty items, take yourself some gloves. That's exactly what I did. A pair of gloves, rubber gloves, workman's gloves, it doesn't matter, just something so because your hands will get pretty filthy. And I just also wanted to let you know the reason why they wouldn't let me use my military discount is because the items were already on sale, number one, and then they were further discounted because of the open bag items. So that's the reason why they wouldn't let me use my military discount when purchasing the mulch that was on sale.
All right, so I am back home with my mulch haul from Lowe's, and I've laid the 14 bags of mulch out where I believe that I need to fill in first. I do recommend that because these bags are heavy, and you don't need a bag of scissors, or I mean, not a bag of scissors. But you don't need any scissors or anything. Just pull them open and pour them out. It's pretty easy, and you can see the landscape fabric peeking through. So I'll start there. But I bought 14 bags and those still weren't enough to fill in the front area. So what I ended up having to do is take those bags where I had originally placed them and bring them towards the front and fill in there first and then go back to Lowe's and purchase 14 additional bags. But that's my mom there. So as I carry the bags and pour, she rakes it into place, and she actually does a really good job. She's 76 years old, and I am not making her do this. She says this is her exercise, and she enjoys it. So I let her be, and this is what she does. And like I said, you can see there, and it's turning out really nice. Um, let's take a look at the actual finished project, which is ta-da! So I've gone ahead and you see the rocks laid out, you see the lighting, the bricks put back into place, and my faux mums. Now, if you're someone who does not like real flowers or plants, meaning you don't want to take the upkeep to take care of them like I do, faux mums is the way to go. And I've got another video that you should check out, and I can talk about where I purchased them and how to place them out in the yard so that they look really appealing. And hopefully you were able to get something from this particular video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, weekend project.